Hi there, welcome to Sandi's Chinese class. Today we're going to talk about forget about something. 今天早上她忘了带手机出门。今天早上她忘了带手机出门。Today, morning, she forgot bring cell phone, go out. So the meaning is, this morning she forgot to bring her cell phone when she went out. This is quite a long sentence, and let's take a closer look word by word. The first word, 今天, it means today, which we've covered a couple of times before, so hopefully it looks familiar to you now. 今天, 今天, 今天. The next word, 早上, which means morning. 早上, 早上, 早上. I have here a timeline and with the different time of day. So 早上, 中午, 中午, which we've covered before in the class. Shall we have lunch together today? 今天中午我们一起吃饭吗？今天中午，中午 means midday, noonish. 中午. And 晚上, which we've covered previously as well. 晚上 means evening or night, usually dinner time. For this one, just a quick review. 饭 means meal, so the meal you have in the morning, it's breakfast. 早饭, 早饭. And the meal you had at noon, it's lunch. 午饭, 午饭, 午饭. And this is dinner. 晚饭, 晚饭. We have here on 上午、中午、下午. This is actually an interesting set because if you remember, for this character, 中, it means middle. And for these two characters, actually, this one means up and this one means down. So this one is before noon and this one is after noon, so afternoon. And to make it easier for you to memorize these two characters, for this character, 上, it looks like there is a line in the bottom and there's something up there, so it means up. And for this character, it looks like there's a line on the top and there's something down there, so it means down. 下, 下午, 下午, 上午, 上午. So 早上, 上午, 中午, 下午, 晚上, 早饭, 午饭, 晚饭. Another thing is that for 早上 and 上午, sometimes people use them interchangeably. Say, for example, if it's like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or 10 o'clock in the morning, you can use either 早上 or 上午. But if it's earlier, if it's like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, you probably want to use 早上 instead of 上午, because 上午 is more like the time after you have breakfast. So in my opinion, 早上 is probably a little bit earlier than 上午. Okay, so 早上, 上午, 中午, 下午, 晚上. The next word, 她, it means she. 她, 她. I have here also the word for he, which has the same pronunciation. It's also 她. So if I'm saying to you, 她忘了带手机出门, then you will not know whether I'm talking about a girl or a boy by just listening to it. But if I write it down and show it to you, then by looking at this character, you will know that I'm talking about a girl. So for these two characters, they look very similar and they have actually the same part on the right hand side. The only difference is the radical on the left hand side. For this character, it has this radical, And this radical is actually a character as well. It means female. It makes sense, right? Female and then she. And this character, the pronunciation is 女, 女, 女. If you're in a restaurant and you go to the bathrooms, sometimes on the door it will say this character, 女, then it means ladies' room, 女. And for this character, the radical on the left-hand side is a character as well. It means human or people. And the pronunciation is 人, 人. So, 人, people. 他 for he. And 女, female. 她 for she. The next word, 忘了. It means forgot. 忘了. We've mentioned before that with this character, 了, is actually an aspect marker and it means that the action has taken place already. So forgot. 忘了, 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 忘了. And for this character, it's very interesting that the upper part, the original meaning is a knife losing its edge. And later on, it was used to mean something useless or something is gone or is missing. And the lower part, it means heart. So if you put them together, it means something that is missing from the heart. So forget. Okay? So 忘, 忘了, 忘了. The next character, 带. 带, it means bring. It's a verb here. It can also be used as a noun with a very different meaning, which we will cover in later classes. For this sentence, it's a verb here and it means bring, bring. 带, 带. The next word, 手机. 手机, it means cell phone. 手 actually means hand, and 机 means machine. So a machine in your hand, a hand machine, is a cell phone. 手机, 手机. I have here some more examples. For this one, 飞 means fly. So a machine that can fly is a plane. 飞机, 飞机. And for this one, 咖啡 is coffee. So 咖啡机 is coffee machine. 咖啡机. And for this one, 洗 means wash and 衣 means clothes. So 洗衣机, washing machine. 洗衣机, 洗衣机, 咖啡机, 飞机, 手机, 手机. The next word, 出门. 出门, it means going out. 出 means go out and 门 means door. So it's like going outside of the door of your house. So it's going out. You can see that for the 出 character, the original meaning comes from the idea that a foot is stepping outside of a cave for like Stone Ages. So it's literally like stepping outside of your house. and for 门 it looks a lot complicated before, and now it's the simplified version, and it's much easier to write this word now. So it's 出门. To sum up for today, 今天早上她忘了带手机出门. This morning she forgot to bring her cell phone when she went out. 今天早上她忘了带手机出门. 今天早上她忘了带手机出门. We've covered quite a few things today. I hope you enjoy the class, and I'll see you next time.